Today, we're going to take a first look at the Canon R50v with the 14-30 lens. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Phil with Photo Gear Fun here today, back at the pond. It's been a while since I've done a video over here, checking out the Canon R50v with the kit lens that comes with it. It's a 14-30, sorry. We're testing it out with different stabilizations. We're going to start with the best stabilization, and this is stabilization on and enhanced. Also, this is filmed in C-Log 3, and I'll show you clips without C-Log 3 as well, so you can get an idea about the difference between the standard profile, and I'll grade the C-Log 3. But here is your field of view at 14 millimeters. Kind of tight with the enhanced stabilization on, but at least you get an idea. I'm holding it at arm's length, and I've got a little mini tripod that I'm using here. I can see the eye detection is catching my eye. The sound is coming from the Rode Video Micro, which many people might use with this nice light little setup. So this is enhanced stabilization. What I'm going to do right now is switch over, still in C-Log, and then we're going to check out just the standard stabilization, and then we'll try with stabilization off. Okay, so this might be good enough stabilization. You can definitely see a difference in the field of view. But we are now just with the stabilization on, walking on a fairly bumpy path, not taking any care, just to see how the stabilization does. If you want to see more with this camera, I actually bought it to do video, not necessarily vlogging. I'm going to be shooting some wildlife video with it for an upcoming mini documentary that I'm working on. Subscribe if you want to see more of this camera. But yeah, this is the R50v in C-Log 3 with the 14-30 lens at 14 millimeters and just regular stabilization. So what I'll do now is turn the stabilization off. I'm only going to do that once. We'll do that in C-Log, and then I'll show you a couple clips with the standard color profile with both enhanced and regular stabilization. So right now I'm going to turn the stabilization off, and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so this will give you the widest field of view, no stabilization, and there's no stabilization in this lens, so this is as bad as it's going to get. Figured we start out with the best, and people tune in and watch the video, they'll see the best, and then if you want to hang around and see the worst, this is the worst. How does it look? Everything looks good on these small screens. It's really hard to tell, but this is no stabilization, and there's no stabilization in this lens in this Canon R50v. So what I'll do next is I'll turn on just the standard profile. This was in C-Log 3. I'll turn on the standard profile, and we'll do enhanced and then regular stabilization, and then we'll wrap up this first look at the Canon R50v with a 14-30 kit lens. Okay, so here we go with the regular standard. All the settings are the same, so this is the standard color profile. It's just called color profile, and you can change it if you want, but I've not changed any of these settings. This is with enhanced stabilization on. How does this one look compared to the C-Log version? How's the stabilization look here? It's pretty light, I gotta say that. Nice, easy to hold. This is with enhanced stabilization. What we'll do next is we'll turn on just the regular stabilization, so set stabilization to on, and then we'll wrap this up. Okay, again, you should see a difference in the field of view. The exposure is going to be a little different because for C-Log 3, the minimum is 400, so you'll see a little bit of variance in that, and that's why, because we're probably at ISO 100 at times here, where it was 400 for C-Log. But this is just with the stabilization on and the standard picture profile. Pretty contrasty day. The sun is shining bright, as you can see. You've seen in these other clips. And so this is how it looks with the standard picture profile. 1/60 of a second, 24p, 4K. And as you can see, when the sun comes out, the exposure looks really good. So that's what I wanted to show you. Let's go ahead and wrap up this quick look. So we'll finish here in C-Log 3 with stabilization set to enhanced. Again, I'm holding it at arm's length with a mini tripod. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. Get out there and have your photo gear fun, and I will talk to you again in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.